Hi, I am Dr. Eli Kohlberg from Unlimited Robotics. In this video, I will talk about Ohm's law. We recall that as we increase the resistance in an electrical circuit, the current intensity will decrease and vice versa. As long as the resistance in an electrical circuit will decrease, the current will increase. That means that the current intensity is inversely proportional to the resistance. The electric current is dependent on the voltage as well. As the voltage increases, the electric current intensity will increase, since higher voltage force more free electrons to move and thus increase the current. It means that the current intensity is in direct proportion to the voltage rate. In the year of 1827, the physicist George Ohm published the law known as Ohm's law. The law connects between the three elements, voltage, current, and resistance, in a constant temperature. Ohm's law states that V equals I times R, where V is voltage with units of volts, I is current with units of ampere, and R resistance in units of ohm. Comment: sometimes voltage is represented by the letter U or E instead of V. In other words, when current flows through a resistor, a voltage drop is created across the resistor. According to Ohm's law, the resistance value is determined as the division of voltage drop across the resistor by the current that flows through it. Electric resistance is measured in the units of ohm, the letter omega, and it is customary to mark it with the letter R. Electric voltage is measured in units of volts, the letter V, and it is customary to mark it with the letter V. Electric current is measured in units of amperes, the letter A, and it is customary to mark it with the letter I. Sometimes the Ohm's law is presented in a graphic way. The letter V is on the top of this triangle, and V divided by I gives R, V divided by R gives I, and I times R gives V. It helps to remember how to extract one factor if the other two are known. Ohm's law, explicitly, V equals I times R, I equals V divided by R, and R is equal to V divided by I. Example: find the current that flows in the following circuit. Given V equals 12 volts and R equals 4 ohms. This is the circuit. Solution: according to Ohm's law, I equals V divided by R, which equals to 12 volts over 4 ohm, and the result is 3 amperes. Thank you very much for being with me in this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.